Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing live sport as well as live TV app to your Fire Sticks or Android TVs. There are thousands of channels from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, and so on. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact channels available in this app. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. And now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get this amazing app to your device. And first of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can actually get it totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device. Here it is, let's open it. And now here in the search bar, we gotta start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on Downloader, and that's the app that you gotta get on your device. But after you get Downloader, it's actually not over yet, because we still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up Downloader on your Fire Stick, we'll have to go to Settings. So here we are. Click on that button with a gear icon. Then you need to scroll down and open My Fire TV. So let's open it. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry because it's actually super easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do that fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then you need to go to install unknown apps, open it as well. From here you just locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, if you go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick device, which is right here, you open it and there is the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire TV Stick. But before actually using the Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Italy right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on your line. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. Or alternatively, if you don't want to use NordVPN, you can also get IPVanish instead, which is another really decent VPN provider. They are a bit cheaper than Nord, and we also do have a discount code for them as well in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of this video. So it's up to you to decide, it's either NordVPN or IPVanish. And now we can use the Downloader safely. So let's open the Downloader application on your Fire Stick. Then here on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure you have clicked on Home, and now in the search bar, we gotta enter a code. And the code is going to be 109147. 5. So once again, it's 109147.5. That's the code you have to enter, and then just click on next. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And then when the website has finally opened, all we need to do is scroll down a bit until you find that download for Android button. We need to click on it, and now the download of the app is going to start. Usually that does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then you need to click install, and now the app will be finally installed on your Fire TV Stick device. But after it was installed, do not click on open yet. Instead, you should press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So you click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Fire Stick does not really have too much of free space on it anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, you open it, and there you'll find the sports application that we have just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. You click on it and then press on move to front. This way the application is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time needed. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble while using such apps. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.